Ronnie Troy.
The touchpad on it's like this big, I think.
The design of a project consists in a crank slider mechanism which is driven by two stepper motors. The task of this is to drive the cutting blade back and forth and cut the pizza. The next component of our system is the rotating table, which is driven by a gear reduction system that is driven by a stepper motor. Next, we have the user input, where we have buttons which show how many slices he or she can choose, and once they decide, the user interface displays their decision in a LCD screen. All these components are driven by the connection of 3 Arduinos, which communicate to each other by a system called I2C. The principal Arduino behind this works like the boss, and all the other Arduinos work as the slaves. The principal Arduino sends signals and receives signals back and forth. When the user wants his pizza cut, he would or she would just simply place a pizza on top of the rotating table and push one of the predetermined number of slices, 2, 4, or 6. Then the user just sits back and watches the machine do its work. When the button is pressed, the table rotates a certain number of degrees, which is determined by an auto-interrupter. Once the table is done rotating, the blade is lowered by a servo. Then the crank is pushed back and forth with the stepper motors. Once this is complete, this process of rotating and cutting is repeated until the desired number of slices is reached.